Yes.
Your assessment of your tatay.
Okay. Okay, it was a good visit. Yeah, we were talking, ganon. We were talking about Philippines.
Pero your assessment po.
Okay lang.
Your assessment. Kasi before, ayun sa
Attorney. Okay man, okay na. Wait lang guys kasi yung mic ko guys. Ano yung mic?
Gang, ang katungkuan unta ba? Payo nga dako.
Attorney, paano ko attorney lang? Kay Kong Omar. Ay, kay Kong Omar.
I would like to thank people, the Filipinos. I would like to thank them, especially when I was in Dubai yesterday. There was this Omar Sason.
Best name.
The best name. Omar Sason, I would like to thank him. And also from Kalina, Miss Garcia. Also from
Hello.
who really escorted me to the gate. My gate is at 5. Else. But this morning also, Helen from Zara. When I went to the train station.
Ako pa yung nalang bebe. Isa magunit ani. Ako attorney.
Here. Present. Yeah, present.
rain or shine.
Rain or shine.
Mostly rain.
So, Omar, you're the spokes now. Ito naman po si Tata.
He's doing it's fine, it's okay. We had a long chat, kami tatlo. I was very happy na, kasi very happy kami sa mga
Waiting for
Di madungog ba?
So, good. Still very grateful ako na kasama sa lola ko dito. And their experience.
So, Ma'am Elizabeth, ulitin ko lang yung tanong ko kanina. Your assessment after 1 month of not seeing her. Is it better or?
she has grown a beard. Oh, maybe getting siya.
Do you like the beard?
Good thing rin yan.
She wanted to retain it. I said to shave. I want to retain it until he goes somewhere.
Excuse me, attorney.
Sabi ko baka mag-Christmas ka.
Hindi gumagana. Oh my, hindi gumagana.
What's your message po to the Philippine people?
Bilit madungog ako. Ulan.
Namin, naka-show na sa kanilang pagmamahal, kanilang bilib kay Tatay Digong. Salamat. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Na-appreciate namin. Yan talaga nagabigay lakas sa amin. Ang inyong support, devotion sa kanya. So, I hope ko na lang, we continue praying for him, praying for his health, and of course, praying for our country.
So, ulitin ko lang po, the affairs, every day, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. I hope you can explain that. The beginning is on Friday sa Amsterdam. The 20th is a march around the day. 21st is also a gathering of workers in Lambang, Vietnam. And then it's also in 21, 22, 23. Questions? I know there's someone who wants to ask a question. Do you want to ask a
Yes,
question?
please. Ano question?
Yes.
I'm just observing. I'm observing. But thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Okay. Ma'am, if you have time for pictures kasi first timers, you have a doctor from Davao.
No, Manila.
Siyempre, gunit ko sa ano na attorney. Sa live mo. Okay na.
Teka. Pero yung mga taga na nag-upin man di ay atay.
Attorney, parang wala.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
We also have nurses from Ireland.
Magpa-kuan ba asad ko?
Picture?
No, it's okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Ito lang ha. Yan, ito. 1, 2, 3. Ito po.
Kayo.
Kaya na ako yung Asa na ang kamera? Asa na yung kamera? Ah, yeah, please. Gunita man dahil niya.
Kaya?
Sino po yung parang picture?
Yung mga tourist eh.
Who else wants picture? Sal, you want picture?
Ako, sabi. Ay, ikaw ate Maribik. Ikaw ta. Sige. Yan. Tisa. Tingin dito tayo. Sa asa man ka nagsabi.
Sugay yung kayong ulan. Grabe ng ulan.
Picture na.
Sige.
Ano, pero yun lang
Yup.
picture.